Hello guys, welcome to my another travel vlog. This trip is made possible by Tipid Lakbay Tours, but this video isn't sponsored. They just have these affordable trips not only in Baler, but also in Baguio, Vigan, and so much more, so make sure to check their Facebook page for more budget-friendly tours in the Philippines. Our first itinerary in Baler was the Dito Mabo Mother Falls, or more commonly known as Mother Falls, simply because it's the grandest of all waterfalls located in the vicinity of Baler, which is a 45-minute nature trek. Next, we went to the Ermita Hill, where you can see the statue of the survivors of the tsunami, or what they called the Tromba Marina, that happened in Baler. After that, we went to the Digisit Rock Formations and spent some time for more Instagram-worthy selfies. And by the way, the entrance fees of the places we went were handled by the Tipid Lakbay Tour, so our trip was really hassle-free. So we grabbed some lunch at a seafood restaurant nearby and headed to the ancestral house of Doña Aurora Aragon, which was the wife of former President Manuel Luis Quezon. It was a very simple house. You get to see some old paintings, portraits, and some furnitures, though the house had already gone some changes and major restorations, but we still appreciated the effort to maintain the structure. After a quick historical tour to the ancestral house, we headed to another historical site just across the street, which is the Baler Church. Then we proceed to the ancestral nipa hut of former President Manuel Quezon that is also beside of the Museo de Baler. The museum is a two-story building that displays various artifacts and paintings that depict some of the historical events that took place in the town of Baler. Lastly is the most visited attraction in Aurora, which is the 600-year-old balete tree that towers more than 5 stories high.